Hi guys, it's Stephanie. Welcome to Stephanie's Journey. For those of you who are here for the very first time, welcome. And for those of you returning, welcome back. If you have not been here before, I would love to have you as part of the Stephanie's Journey. Just click on that subscribe button below, as well as the notification bell, so that you don't miss any of my videos in the near future. Today, I am going to plan out my GreenStalk. So if you're interested in seeing that, then stay tuned. I have that Pro Mix right there. That's what I'm going to use. So let me go get my GreenStalk and I'll be right back. Okay, I have my roundabout spinner. And hopefully it's not too windy. I got a mic this time. That's my spinner. Now for the GreenStalk, it tells you, because I have the leaf version, they come in the original and leaf, but I have a leaf. The original one is the deep one. I have a shorter one. By the 7 layers. It tells you what you can plant in each. And I'll show you this up close on a picture and insert it in here. But for the leaf, you can use arugula, onion, basil, oregano, beets, pansies, carrots, parsley, cilantro, parsnips, dill, pea, fennel, radish, garlic, rosemary, kale, sage, lavender, spinach, lemon balm, strawberries, lettuce, Swiss chard, marigolds, thyme, and mint and turnips. And it tells you how many of each you can plant in each one of them. So stuff with the asterisk can be planted 3 per pocket. If it doesn't have an asterisk, you should only plant 1. I want to plant a tomato in mine, but it says tomato is only for the original, but I have a dwarf tomato, and I'm going to put it in there anyway. So we're going to see how that works out. So let's get to building this thing up. And I got this Pro Mix. I put it in a short. I got it from Ace Hardware. And I'll link it below. Let's see. I don't know which holes these go in. Probably the larger ones, the smaller ones, the lower ones. Yeah. And these wheels, are they locking? No, one of them is. 2 of them. So, not all of them. And 3 of them. So I probably should put every other one locking. So that's a locking one. That way, it won't move away. How do you lock it? When it's down. Yeah, not necessarily because it's moving. It's windy out here. Alright, here's the directions. It shows you the picture about how the water goes down into each one. I don't know what this little tube is for. Or where you put it. This tube. Maybe it's a drain tube for the bottom. I don't know. That tube is so that when you fill it up, you don't get dirt down in the the reservoir. So I believe so. So let's get started. I'm gonna have to go cut my water on because it is not on. And I heard that this is some good mint. My friend told me to get this. Never used it. If anybody used this Pro Mix below before, let me know how you like it. Comment below. Let me know. But she said she filled her entire GreenStalk with this and still had a bunch of it left. So that sounds like a winner to me. Besides, do not want it everywhere. Where's my little scoop thing? It's already over here. There we go. That might be a waste. Probably just easier to dump it over in here. This way through the dirt. I don't want to waste it. It's so very expensive. Oh, it's very loose, lightweight, airy. I'm gonna let you guys see it. Very airy. I thought I was gonna need to add some perlite to this, but no, we don't. Only thing I need to add is some nutrients, which, let me bring y'all closer. Okay, what I got is some organic bone meal, some blood meal for nitrogen, the bone meal is for phosphorus. Then we got some worm castings, which I got this from Costco. They have a good deal on this now. You want to go out there and get some at Costco, and then a little bit of garden tone just for overall. This is slow release, so I'm going to put 2 handfuls of that in here. Put 2 tablespoons of blood meal, 2 big tablespoons of worm casting, and the same for this. This hasn't been opened because I used the other one. And the last time I had this same brand here, it's all organic, but I love this blend. And this one you can actually seal back, as opposed to that other one you couldn't, and I had to keep a thing on it. So I don't like it. I like stuff that can seal. And this bone meal looks different than the other one. Was this brand, and it was more finer, and it was white. But I don't think any of that makes a difference. So I just put it in here and mix it around. And I'm going to have to get my water hose and turn it on so I can water these down. But I'm just filling them up right now. I'm not going to put anything in them just yet. So get the next one. Stick this little thing on here so I won't clog up the holes. Okay, I feel all 7 of the cells, clusters, whatever they are, levels, and my probably got a fourth of this bag of soil left. I'm going to add a little of cow manure to the tops of each one of them. I water them. They're not watered all the way in yet. I just watered them with a pitcher. But that is what we look like. So I'm just going to put some of that on top of it. Then I'm going to put the trays on the center of them and stack them up. And then they'll be ready to plant. So stay tuned. Alright, let's open this bag up. Do my scissors. And use a knife. And I'm just going to cut the top. Never used this either, but I like their other products, so hopefully this is good too. I think I need my gloves on for this cow manure. Yeah, let me get my gloves. And I'm just going to lay a compost on top and water it in. That's a big old chunk of something. This dog's always barking for what I don't know. I took most of that bag. Alright, what you see, maybe a third of the bag is gone, and we got them all covered up. So let's water them in. Let's water. Alright, now we're going to stack them up. Alright, now the last part, the water reservoir. And they got little slots too. They're hooks. So let me let you guys see that. Alright. Getting in close. See these little things here? They're like a little U shape. And they hook on the indentation of each of the trays so they lock in place. And that's how it locks, and the little white tray is just sitting in there on the inside. And then this is the water reservoir. So they're probably getting thoroughly wet, but I'm just going to fill it up anyway, just for GP, so we can see that. So You can hear the water running down to each of the levels. Sounds like it's only to this level here, so we got 3 more levels to go. Let's put some more. Oh, sounds like it's at the bottom now. Don't see it running out yet though. And you can water at the individual levels too, but it's up to you. The trays for these, oh, it's running out. You can see it now at the bottom. See it down there running out? So then you know it's full because it's running, streaming. Got a little water in that tray. So good. So I would say I filled that up twice. You can see the water dripping out of the little holes on the levels. That's the first level. That's level 2 is dripping. That's level 3 is dripping. That's level 4 is dripping. That's level 5 is dripping. And then level 6. Where are you dripping? Are you dripping? There you go. It's dripping there slowly. It's much slower on the bottom level. So I would say whatever you put on the bottom level, make sure it's not nothing that requires a lot of water. Otherwise, it is ready to plant. And this is a little bit of water left. So I would say you would have to fill this up twice to get it all the way through. So yeah, that is it. That is how I filled up my GreenStalk and the items that I used. Thanks for watching. Have a great day. Bye.